Hello friends, in this video I am going to represent my e-commerce business. Briefly I will go through, later I will make separate video for each topic. This business had changed my life and it can change your too. At first I will talk about purpose. Purpose. What is your purpose? I don't know. But I am doing this business because I want to do nothing. The most common answer I found that is financial freedom. Everyone wants money, but no one wants to do hard work. I am doing this business because my dreams are very high. Financial freedom means making money while you are sleeping. Everyone wants a magical change in their life, but no one wants to believe in magic. Go for your dreams, or you can make others' dream come true. Choice is yours. There are three factors in any business we consider. 1. Risk or money. Whether risk involved or not, business will make money or not. 2. Compounding. Compounding growth involved or not. 3. Leverage of time. According to Robert T. Kiyosaki, this world divided into 4 quadrants. E, S, B, I. E stands for employee, which you know they are job seeker and give their time to grow their boss. 2. Self-employed, small traditional businessman, shopkeepers, etc. 3. Businessman, where hundreds and thousands of people work, very high startup cost and very high risk. Next, investor, where people invest lots of money to make money. Again, high startup cost and risk is everywhere, my friend. Risk of doing nothing, right? Now come to the factors of this business. Risk or money. Whether risk involved or not, this business will make money or not. In this business, there is no risk because we started from break-even point. It means where no profit and no loss. And if you will work hard, definitely you will make money. 2. Compounding. In this business, your income will grow exponentially. 3. Leverage. Here in this business, you can leverage your time. And if you can leverage your time, you can be financially free. Because money is equal to skill into time. Here skill is constant, so money is directly proportional to time. Second one is business profile. We sell products and services in 3 ways in this world. 1. Retail, where customer goes to shopkeeper and buy goods or services and pay for that. 2. Direct selling. In direct selling, seller goes to customer, provide goods or services and get paid. 3. one, network marketing. In network marketing, we do business in our COI, circle of influence, and create a network and get paid. In this business, direct selling is involved with network marketing, which means you can earn by direct selling of goods and services and also by referring someone. When this word network marketing comes, then people think about scam. Maybe some money circulation and scam you have seen also. But this business established in 1998. Yes, it is 22 years old. Then don't give me a shit that it is a scam or it will run away. Its founder is Dato Sri Vijay Swaran. This name is more than enough to prove its legality. Dato Sri is the speaker of World Economic Forum. He started this business for us, for people, not for himself. I am not going deeply. I will make a separate video for each topic, especially for Dato Sri, because he is the man of honor. Now come to the products. Our business is in 100 plus countries and tie up with 23 plus industries. Sectors we involve in is first home care, luxury and lifestyle, education, hotel and tourism, and health and wellness. Okay. Now plan. As I told you, our business is international, so we use a common term for different values of currency. That is UV, unit volume, VV, business volume. 1 UV is equal to 1000 VB, and 1 UB is equivalent to 45 to 60,000 INR. Now, if you start your business here at A and sell at least 2 products to 2 people called B and C of 3 UV each, then you will get paid by 6 UV, which is equivalent to 12,000 INR. If B and C sell at least 2 products by 3 UV each to D, E, F and G respectively, then you will get paid by 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12 UV, which is equal to 24,000 INR. Here B and C directly come through you, then here you will get referral money, which is 5,000 each. Let's see its projection. Let's see projection. How does it works? If you start your business here, then how much time it will take to find your 2, one in the left and one in the right with 3 UV each, with help of your team. Let it take 2 months. Now I will take 2 months for each 6 UV transaction. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 2 years. Here it will be 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 138, 256, 512, 1024, 2048, 2048. Same year, 2048. When you make a transaction of 3 UV each side, then you will get paid by 6 UV, which is equal to 12,000 INR. In next 2 months, it will be 24,000 INR, 48,000, 96,000, 1,92,000, 3,84,000, 7,68,000, 15,36,000, 30,72,000, 61,44,000, 1,22,88,000, 2,45,76,000, and so on. No, it's not possible because the industry will go bankrupt. To avoid this situation, we have a limit called max out, and that limit is 5 crore. This 5 crore is the minimum amount which you can earn here. Later you think what you have to do with it. Now come to the price. How much price is involved? Remember, I told you we started from where no profit and no loss. Now you tell me, what is the price of your dreams? Here you are going to make your dream come true. I was a merchant navy guy working since May 2012. As you know, salary is very good enough in merchant navy. When I got this platform, I realized I can do much better than this. While staying at home with my family, I can spend my time with my friends and family, along with lots of money, working from home. Thank you for watching my video. Stay at home, stay safe.